Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the top 5 print-on-demand tools that you should be using to help you scale your print-on-demand business moving forward into 2024. Hi, I'm Jenny. I have made multiple six figures on Etsy through print-on-demand, and I use this channel here to help you start and scale your Etsy print-on-demand businesses as well. I will be providing links to all of the tools that I'm about to show you in my description below to make it easy for you to just click and sign up. I do, however, receive a small commission if you use this link, so I greatly appreciate your support. The first website is obviously Etsy, because this is a platform that I use to sell my print-on-demand products on. Now, here's a quick overview for those of you who don't know what print-on-demand is. So print-on-demand basically means I have a store of a bunch of products, but I've never had to touch a single one because the printing company holds the inventory, they fulfill the orders, they package, and they ship it for me. Which brings me to tool number 2, PRINTIFY. PRINTIFY is the company that I use to print, package, and ship all of my print-on-demand products. They have tons and tons of products that you can choose from. My go-to is the t-shirt. I typically use this Bella Canvas 3001. Another go-to and top seller of mine are sweatshirts, and I mostly sell the Gildan 18,000 crew neck sweatshirt. Another go-to of mine is mugs. These are also a great seller, and they're a really great profit margin. As you can see, the price here is only $3.39 for this mug. Now, I do have PRINTIFY Premium, which is $24.99 a month, but it drastically lowers the prices of the products so that I'm getting a higher profit margin. There is a link below to try out PRINTIFY Premium for 1 month free if you use code Jenny, with the link in the description below. Tool number 3 is Everbee. Everbee shows up as a Chrome extension within Etsy. So it offers product analytics, keyword research, ways to organize your listings, an Etsy profit calculator, and even Everbee email. I'm going to jump into a few of these right now to show you what it has to offer. So right now within Etsy, I have women's t-shirts in the search. If I want to see which ones are selling the best and how much they are bringing in, how long the listing has been up, Everbee is going to show me all of that information. So I just go over here to the toolbar and I choose product analytics. Here are some listings that are coming up for us. I right away like to go over to monthly sales or monthly revenue, and I just click this arrow down a few times to refresh it. And now I can see the products that are bringing in the most money for that search term, women's t-shirt. As you can see, it is bringing in 6 figures this month on Etsy. We're also able to see the total sales on this product, how many reviews it has, how long the listing has been up. It's only been up for 4 months, which is remarkable. How many favorites this listing has gotten, average reviews per month, how long the shop has been on Etsy for. I'm also able to click onto that listing and see more details about it. I can see specific keywords that they have used in their titles and tags to drive organic traffic to this listing. I can even dig further by going up here to shop details and seeing a little bit more information about this shop. This shop's only been up for 16 months and it already has over 40,000 sales. If I wanted to, I can go ahead and analyze the shop's listings to dig further into how they are finding success on Etsy. We can also use the profit calculator up here, and this is going to show us how much money they are receiving in profit for this product. So we can see that their sales price is $58.99. They don't have a shipping price. The cost of the item for them is $23. The shipping cost for the order is $4.50. Over here is the breakdown with the Etsy fees, the transaction fees, etc. And we are able to see that they are getting a net profit of $24.84, which is over 40%, which is a great profit margin for print on demand. You can also use this Etsy profit calculator to tweak the numbers to get the right price point for your own products. Also with Everbee, a new feature is Everbee email. There are done for you templates that can be sent out to your Etsy customers when an order is placed, shipment confirmation, delivery confirmation, and even request of a review. There's also the option for your customer to subscribe to your emails through these campaigns. These campaigns are allowed by Etsy. It's okay with Etsy policies. If your customer subscribes to your email list within these emails that are allowed, then you are able to send them separate emails at any time because you now have ownership of their emails because they gave you consent. And this is all okay with Etsy policies. I have a YouTube video explaining all about Everbee email if you want to go and learn more about that there. Print on demand tool number 4 is KITTL. KITTL is basically a platform that offers done for you t-shirt templates, but even more than that. You can logos, labels, book covers, wall art, you name it. But I specifically use it for t-shirts. So as you can see right here, I would choose t-shirts, and right now it's populating all for me. But if I have a specific niche that I want to look up, I can come right here and I can type in my niche, let's say coffee, and here are a bunch of done for you coffee templates. Now the really cool thing about this is that we can easily change these templates to however we want. Let's click on this one, for example. Coffee is my therapy. I'm going to say use this design. Let's say instead of the coffee niche, I want to dabble into the tea niche. I can quickly click on the word coffee and I can change this to tea. I can quickly move the design around to however I like. Since it's going on a t-shirt, I want to remove the background, so I just simply click on the background and come over here to opacity, and I'm going to lower this to 0. And if I want my font to be a different color to show up better on, let's say, a white t-shirt, so simple to do so. So I'm going to click on this and I can easily change it to whatever color I want. Let's say I want to change the mug. I click on that, come down here, I find the color that it is, and I can easily change it to any color that I want. You can easily save this to your desktop as a PNG transparent background and add it to any print-on-demand product that you would like and start selling it today. You can try KITTL for free in the link in my description below. I also have a YouTube video showing a tutorial on how to use KITTL, so go ahead and head over there if you want to learn more about this platform. I also use design platforms such as Canva, GoDaddy Studios, and sometimes Procreate, depending on the type of design that I am working on. Stay tuned for more design tutorials. Speaking of design, if design is an area that intimidates you, my last print-on-demand tool that I'm going to share with you, number 5, will help ease your design worries, and that is Fabrica. Fabrica has hundreds of thousands of graphics that you can use on your print-on-demand products. They also have fonts that you can use. Here are some examples here. I just typed Christmas in so that you can see some Christmas examples that pop up. You can dig even deeper and type in, let's say, retro Christmas. And here are some designs that are populating for us. Commercial and full print-on-demand usage allowed. So you would just download this and then you can use them on your print-on-demand products. Now, I do suggest that you tweak the designs so that you can make them your own intellectual property, because there are many sellers that are using Fabrica and they may be trying to sell the same exact designs on Etsy. So in order to stand out among your Etsy competitors, it's important to tweak these designs, maybe take away text, add different elements, change the colors, make it your own so that you can stand out among your Etsy competitors and make this your own intellectual property. In the link in my description below, I actually have 10 free downloads for Fabrica. It's amazing. It literally saves me so much time when I'm sitting down to design. If I don't have time to design, as a busy mother of 2, that it's very rare that I have time to design. So Fabrica has saved me so much. I literally go to the search bar, type in what I'm looking for, and within seconds find a design that I can quickly tweak to use as my own. And there you have it. Those are the top 5 tools that I will be using for my print-on-demand business moving forward into 2024. Of course, you don't need to use all of these, but I find that it makes scaling my Etsy business so much easier. These tools are super helpful and they will help you scale so much quicker in the new year. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like, subscribe for more Etsy print-on-demand tips, and I'll see you in the next video.